In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down again and tap on Dual Messenger. Finally, you can click on any of those switchers to clone one of those available apps. Then hit Install in the pop-up. Select Confirm in Disclaimer 1 and decide if you wish to use a separate contact list. If you do, just click on the switcher and separate your contacts. If you don't, you need to select Next and tap on OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my Snapchat app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use blue switcher next to it. Then hit Uninstall and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!